2 weeks after the horrifying discovery of the bodies of at least 13 people.
Hi. Is there a taxi service or something around here?
I suggest you get back on that train and head back home.
This is a highly unusual situation. I have here a last will and testament dated August 1994.
I grew up in foster care. I never knew my parents.
In a case like this, the bank should have taken the house and sold it by now. Now that you've been identified as the beneficiary, let's just say you're a very lucky young woman.
I always wanted to know who my parents were.
My baby.
But it feels like the more that I learn, the less I actually know.
You should not be here, by the way. In this house.
I found a camera. I think something else happened here.